Go ahead, Your Excellency.
The Eritrean delegation was sent, and we are sent by our president, Isaias Afwerki, at least to know the situation, what is going on in Somaliland. We have been away from the situations in the Horn of Africa for the last 20 years because we had a very bad situation. A war was waged against Eritrea by TPLF regime, and later it was followed by the sanction on Eritrea, and we were struggling just to be free from all these what you call subjugations. Now at this moment peace has prevailed in the Horn of Africa, especially between Eritrea and Ethiopia. And now we started our cooperation. So we said, now we have been away, and now it is time for us to go to Somaliland and look into the situation. And we have a meeting with the president, and we heard his briefing, very interesting, very important. And also we tried also to say that we want to know the situation. So he explained all the political, the social, and the economic situation of the country. And now we will go back, convey what you call the situations prevailing in Somaliland to my president, and we will see. This will not be the last what you call meeting or the last what you call visit. It will be second, third, to continue. Therefore, thank you very much, and we are very hopeful that we will come back again to Somaliland. Thank you very much.